Hey Broadhead, this is Blue, and today I'm coming at you with a tour of the art room. So here we have the tables. This is where you'll get your projects done, some extra space for just working on stuff. Here we have the wheels. Now the wheels are used mostly for spinning clay bowls and other clay items. Right now, Nevaeh Hawkinson is working on soup bowl. So there's a lot of bowls over here. Okay, over here we have the main tables where kids sit when they're getting ready for class. It's also where Stibby does a lot of the less hands-on teaching or drawing and painting classes. Back here we have the kiln room. So this is the kiln right here. This is where all of the things that you make in ceramics class and fundamentals will be turned from regular squishy kind of like clay to this harder bisque, and then also you can glaze it and turn it into this shiny piece here. And this has been our tour of the art room.